What's going on, guys? Your friend Crypto Side back again with another video. Guys, it's good to be back. I know we're going through some rough times right now, and I hope everybody stays safe. And you guys are making money with trading. So this time and this occasion, I want to share with you how I am doing risk management using leverage, right? So if you ever done leverage before, you can get like a lot of gains, but you can lose a lot of money too really fast. So if you don't know how to tweak the buttons around and play with the money, you'll be liquidated like in no time. So I want to share with you a small trick, especially if you are a beginner, just like me, that is gonna help you keep afloat, keep that money in the bank, in the account, and hopefully live to see another trade again. So the first thing I'm going to say is you guys know the crypto side position calculator is available for you for free. The link is gonna be below, so just go ahead and get it. Once you click the link, go ahead and download a copy for you. Don't use the same one on the link because that anybody can play with it. So if you put some values in there and then you go turn your computer off, next time you turn it on, somebody might put their value in there and then your values are gone. So just download a copy so you have your copy for you and manage your account like that. So the calculator is gonna tell you your entry, your stop, how much of the position you can buy. It's gonna give you a couple targets if you want to split your targets as well. But I do have a leverage block on the right. And this is just a scenario when you don't manage to, you just use whatever risk and multiply that by whatever leverage. So we're not gonna talk about this part right now. I'm gonna show you a trick. So that's the first thing you're gonna do. You're gonna get the crypto side position calculator, download it. Now we're going to use Binance for this example. So you're gonna go to your Binance account and we're gonna do into the futures trading. So the first thing we're gonna do over here is this is the new website. If you're using the old website, it looks like this, the old version, but I like to use the new one. So click on the new one so you follow my my example. And the first thing that you will do is this button right here, right on the place order. It should say cross because that's the standard. Okay, you're gonna click on that. It should be like this, cross. Okay, so if it says cross, you're gonna select isolated. So the isolated margin mode, what it is you will manage your risk on individual positions, and then that's gonna restrict the amount of margin allocated for the position. So that means that if whatever you risk and you get liquidated on that position, it's only that position. That's it. It's not gonna go and dig into your whatever you have left in your wallet. So we're gonna select and leave it in isolated. That's the first step. So let's see over here. We're gonna do a live example right now. What do I have over here? So let's say, all right. So based on this price action, you see like a low time frame is in an uptrend. So I would say the uptrend is gonna keep going, and I want to go long. All right, and a good entry for me will be right here, whatever that is, right there. All right, so my entry is 68.99, and my stop loss is gonna be over here. You know what? Let's make it a little bit more wider just in case. Right, it's not the greatest R&R, right? But this is just for the example. This would be ideally if you can find a good quality setup and find at least a 1 to 3, risking 1, making 3 type of setup. That would be outstanding. But let's say you're just gonna do this one. It's risk 1 and make 1.72. So the entry is 68.99. You're gonna go to the calculator and you're gonna put entry 68.99. 68.99. All right, so my stop loss is going to be, for this example, over here below that low, and it's 67.35. So 67.35. 67.35. Okay, And whatever your account is, in this example, it's $1,000. Now you don't have to have the whole amount in the $1,000 into the Binance account, right? As you can see over here, I have $94, right? So of the $1,000 that you have scattered in different exchanges and all that stuff, you would risk 2% in this example, right? It could be whatever risk you have, but for this one it's 2%, so that's $20, right? So what do we do from here? So I want to risk $20, and if my position gets liquidated, the only thing I want to lose is $20, right? So you go into the calculator the Binance has, and we're gonna find the liquidation price. We're gonna go over here, liquidation price, and what we're doing is going long. You don't need to fill anything over here, right? You don't need to do the excess over here, and I'll explain why. So the entry price is $68.99. $68.99. All right, and how many can I buy? According to the calculator, 0.12. So we're gonna put here 0.12. All right, and my wallet balance is not the whole balance, it's my risk, right? The $20, we're gonna put that in there, $20. All right, so what this is saying, if I enter over here and I play 0.12 Bitcoin and I only want to risk $20, where do I get liquidated? At 67.59. Now this value is not going to be exact with the calculator, because this takes in consideration any type of fees and all that stuff from the exchange. So we're gonna go ahead and 67.59, we're gonna check that. I did have 67.35 for a stop loss. So it is before that stop loss that I'm gonna get liquidated. So how do I fix that? If I wanna get all the way over here, I can either buy less, right? Buy less. Let's say it's 0. It gets closer, right? Or risk more, but I don't want to risk more. So okay, I can do with 0.11. I can do that. So now, what's the trick on this? So I want to open a long, right? When price is at 68.99. So I'm gonna put over here price 68.99. Okay. Now, since it's a long, we're gonna watch these values over here. Of my total account, I want the cost to be $20 because that's what I want to risk. So I'm gonna move that all the way to $20, and it's gonna tell me how much Bitcoin I'm buying with $20. Okay, so it say with $20 I'm buying 0.76, but the calculator and said 0.12, and I agree that I was gonna buy 0.11. So that's there, my friend, is where the leverage comes in handy. So I'm at 25 leverage right now. I can up that a little bit. Let's say, I don't know, you're just gonna play with this. Okay, once you do that, you still gotta go over here and move it again. So you can see, look at that, 12, but I'm risking 21.90 if I buy the 12.7. So with the leverage, what's gonna do is still risking the $20. Let's move that a little bit, one more down. $20.86, I can buy the 12 Bitcoin, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and open that order. It's gonna be a limit order, and I'm gonna open that loan. And it says that, open that loan. So my order was is placed, is in queue. Now I know that my liquidation price, it was about 67.44, correct? So that's what kind of my liquidation is gonna be. So if it's gonna be a 67.44, what I need to do is I need to put my stop loss before that. Let's put 67.50, 67.55, because like that we are going to save into the liquidation fee that the exchange charges if you actually go through with the liquidation, there is an extra fee that you pay on top of that. So you just put your stop loss before the liquidation, then you fix that over here on your 67.35. You fix that over here, 67.55, and that's where your stop loss is gonna be now, since if you don't want to get liquidated to the 67.45. Now you gotta pay attention that that stop loss is gonna be something that makes sense. You don't want to have a stop loss right like at a level that it might look, well, it might look like it can bounce from there like this one. But that's the idea. So what's gonna happen if my order gets filled? All right, I'm gonna be playing that position. If my order goes all the way down and it doesn't work, the only thing that I'm going to lose is the $20 that I set up for this order. And you accomplish that using the isolated option in the exchange. Guys, I'm gonna leave you with that. I hope you like it. I hope you can practice with it, and you'll see that doing it like this, you're gonna be more trades. You're gonna make more money. Just remember to accept the risk. Whatever risk you put in there, just accept it. That's it. It's gone. $20 for me is gone right now. If I lose the position, oh well, that's what that's what it was. If I win the position, let's keep making money. So I'll leave you with that. If you guys have any question, please let me know. Find me on Twitter. Also, I want to do a couple of shout outs. All right, I'm gonna do a shout out to all my peeps, my great peeps in the Dev Chart Lounge on Discord. If you're not here, guys, I'm gonna put the link for it too. You gotta join us. No BS. Only cool people sharing cool ideas. That's it. We do have some fun in here, and we share a lot of knowledge too. We got some nice contributors over here. So the shout out is gonna be for my friend DevShard Andre. As always, man, it's always a pleasure to be part of your journey, and you be part of my journey, and letting me share the little thing that I know with all these great people over here. Also, I wanna do a shout out to my friend. I pronounce this kaching, and every time I say that, I just think about money. All right. Also, my friend Bori, el Bori, la gente allá, ya tú sabes, papá. My friend Bukowski, all right. Great people over here. Lila is around here somewhere. Lila, we appreciate you, and hopefully, guys, you enjoy the video, and I'll see you for the next one.